start our recipe. For my recipe, we need 1 egg, 2 pinches of salt, 2 pinches of pepper. Let's start how to make my recipe. First, we take bowl and a fork. Take an egg and crack it. Mix the salt and pepper. Beat nicely with fork. Turn on the gas with your mother's help. Take a pan and put 1 tablespoon of oil. Pour the beaten egg into the pan. Cook for 2 minutes. Now slowly, carefully scramble it. Now turn off the gas. Now take a plate and put it into the plate. Now decorate with the cucumber. Now it's time for tea.